Alright, namhlanje bafowethu sidla u-14 kwedini. We're ranking 15 of the best kids in the PSL era, right? Sibona ama-team adla indwangu, haya ama-team ayichansa indwangu. Coming in at number 15, Manning Rangers, mid to late 90s kid. The first team to win the PSL title, 96-97 season. You know, it's one of those classic kids. And lalinesithunzi oyisaba nje Rangers ubona le jazz lakhona and lalilihle bafowethu le jazz leli ngekhathi zalo. So ngiyibeka ku number 15. At number 14 ngizobeka iBeat vs Vets. iVets ke mina ngiyithanda kakhulu isaqobo Hamel. Even people who don't support Vets would go and buy this kit. Even nekhathi iqobo Kapa. Yo mfethu uyaqhubeka kulo kotini wakhona and ama colors akhona lo blue and what it's navy and white wakhona uba muhle nje jezini yakazi ukunikeza ama designers option yokudesigner into eseqopheleni eliphezulu. At number 13, Chippa United 2014-2015 season, it looks so clean and le strip less esikhona la esehlayo esenza ukuthi ke ese blue esenza ukuthi ke libe lihle kakhulu ijezi ngendlela eseqopheleni eliphezulu. I don't think iChippa isiyake yaphinda yaba nejezi elihle ukudlula leli. At number 12, amaZulu asenza ama kits amaningi kakhulu ke, but under Umbro I think that's when they made the best kits. Yenze ibhubesi, yenze ilokhuzana into efakwa la entanyeni efakwa amaZulu, yenze nento eyiningi, but leli how for me is number 1 kuona ama kits amaZulu asakaba nawo, so ngizolibeka ku number 12. At number 11, iSuperSport sibonile sigqoka uKapa recently, but ngesikhathi sagqoka leli libhalo DStv, I think awuhlobisa lo DStv ola ngaphambili ulenze bese eqopheleni eliphezulu, so I'm gonna put that one at number 11. At number 10, Orlando Pirates 2011-2012 kit enomlando ke the double treble winning team. Vele ngikhumbuza uBenny McCarthy. The previous season yayigqoke no collar nje lo normal, but this round collar makes it look superb. At number 10. At number 9 is another Orlando Pirates kit. Kit le ka 20 nalo it was 2011-2012 baligqoka ngefinal in the cup ngosema babekade bedlala lapha bedle Vets ngo3-1 kwakuyi Telkom knockout bedle Vets ngo3-1 emabhida lela liqhokwa ngoKaizer Mtaung leli ngama 70s babelibuyisa nje sebelimodify liba istyle esisha cha lihle and it's so white and nice and clean. At number 8, Cape Town Spurs ngama 90s. Before the Cape Town Spurs emerge nelone 7 Stars before ex Cape Town, there was a team called Cape Town Spurs. Hayi le manje hayi labo fafablane bamanje ngazi Cape Town Spurs mina le gijinyolo o Ian Gorowa. This was the best kit ngama 90s. Aliki kit yafikela ngama 90s, whether we are ku Pirates, Alpha, Sundowns, Disprin, Chiefs, Reebok, Cape Town Spurs ewasha yonke ama kit ngama 90s. At number 7, Orlando Pirates 2024-2025 season. I like ilokhuzana quality of fabric nalo trim red lenza ukuthi libe lihle ijezi libe seqopheleni eliphezulu. Ngisho lithinta le jezi uyaluza ukuthi liquality nje indwangu yakhona. Yabo Adidas wenza lapha na ke ezibukwayo ngendlela eyisimangaliso. At number 6, Bloemfontein Celtic, obviously mid 2000s. Ngisho umuntu ongayisupport iCeltic ubeligqoka leli jezi leli. Bolibona nje ematawuni, not just in Bloemfontein, everywhere in Pongola, in Gauteng, in Durban beligcwele kakhulu ejezi belithengwa ngendlela ebelilihle ngayo and belenze Bloemfontein Celtic ihlonipheke. Leyabo siyabonga Nkosi noMoses Spandiel. Do you remember those guys abo Klein Boy Dybos? Alikhumbuza bona Timothy Batapaye, Postnet Omoni. We maye ngabe iwina neSA Super 8. Alright, before I get into the top 5 ngikukhumbuza ukuthi mawufuna iWi-Fi eseqopheleni eliphezulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso, thatha i-screenshot njengamanje and remember to WhatsApp this number and I'll tag uHerotel as well ukuze uHerotel ukwazi ukuthi ke ukwazi uku-inbox noma uku-DM depending on the platform you're using, whether it's Instagram, Facebook or TikTok. Let's continue with our countdown. At number 5, Swallows. Swallows ke ngiyakhumbula igqoka ama-label ahlukene, whether iMaita or iUmbro or yini, but ngithande mni Swallows amakhithayo ngesikhathi sibuya lana beba neyinyoni la eceleni, you know, ivele nje kukhumbuza ukuthi uvela ubone amadube beds and leli limhlophe lihle li clean kuzoba ileli futhi le maroon lakhona futhi uyalibona nalezi nyoni zalo la eceleni ziyalihlobisa busubona i-design manje ngokwe legacy yayo. Why ngayifaka iTS Galaxy le list because inokudesign into ezimnanzi abandebele. Anyway, that's a story for another day. Number 4, jezi le Kaizer Chiefs, white and clean. Ngizokaza futhi ngibiased mina when it comes to umbala omhlophe. Uma team lana aba clean njengo Madrid no Tottenham Hotspur. So nice and clean. Ilokhuza ikhithi kaMardi leyashaya ngayigole center nanokuthi ke ba modelisa intombazane leyana intombazane yavele yalenza laba lihle lejezi lena ebidlala eHouse of Zwide bani zithi Onalerona, I think Onalerona, yes. Yavele lenza laba lihle ke lejezi leli, nice and clean. I don't think iChiefs seke yaphinde yenza ijezi lihle ukundlula leli ke. At number 3, another white nice and clean kit by Orlando Pirates lela liqoqa ngosifiso umyenike leli bafethu nabo Benny McCarthy. Beautiful white kit. uyalibona lo Trimo Red and yawina kakhulu iOrlando Pirates ngaleli jezi leli ayiwinanga ngaleli. I think uBenny McCarthy lapha ezama ukushaya khona ama bicycle kick against Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think yawina a lot with this jersey. Anyway, it's beautiful. At number 2, wow, obviously Kaizer Chiefs 50th anniversary kit. Leli ke lazi lakopelwa eBarcelona lelo uzubona indlela lalihle ngayo, limited edition. Makuthi wathola leli jezi lelo abanenhlanhla because bawenza aba limited. So egcineni kosuku kwagcina ngama jezi ukuthi ke mhlambe I think they made 50,000 units, and then after that benza 30,000 more after that base beyivala kanti benzela ukuthi lihambe ijezi lokwenziwa eBarcelona. Hey, ngoba uNike njalo. Cha, but it's beautiful quality. Nalungu uyabona le gold and black. And uyayibona nje indwangu yakhona kwakuyi quality le jezi lihle ke le jezi leli bafethu. At number 1, I don't think Connie Kitty sekuyafika kule Sundowns Theodora level ikhumbuzo omanqoba ngwenye ikhumbuze abo Josta Dladla abo Godfrey Sapula linama sports la ehlombe ijezi lihleke leli Sundowns aseyakuyaba nalo iTheodora. I think iyona nkosi yamakhithi le ku-PSL and Sundowns beyiwina kakhulu back to back league titles. I think 2006 now 2007 leli jezi lo surprise Mpriri iyona nkosi yamakhithi ke, whether you looking at blue noma white noma uyellow wakhona futhi maliqoka intombazana empofu livele libe lihle kakhulu ke leli jezi leli. So i ranking yami yama kids lawa in the PSL era, what do you think?